Yeah man, welcome to the kitchen. Yeah man, the Top Chef there, we live again, you don't know. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, you don't know. Pork chops and some white rice cooked down, you know what I mean? You don't know the thing go. Look at that. Yeah man, roll in man. Just start the pot. You see me I say? Wait, the eye, wait for the eye hot. Look at that.
Anyway, tomorrow is holiday. The first Labor Day. Well, for one that I want to find out the advertisement the way they have to clean. I don't know if she can listen out for me with the advertisement. I want to know which part the advertisement they were. If the eye was over there. I want to know which part if that center on it there are near at the so in a Kingston. Because it's important that in all of them literary go on that to keep Jamaica clean. And right now Jamaica not clean at all, Rasta. Jamaica not clean, man. The place dirty like what? Apart from the road, them gonna be water on the road, them just
Put on the rice in the meantime right now.
You know, just tackle them way. I don't get it now. All these companies, all these trees all these kind of things that are getting it's more problem. And them youth are not here. When I drive on all the highway and him a drink all of this and the buckle down, him just shine that over in the edge them on the highway. Over when cliffs are over in the grass. We go up on all the beach and the holiday. Let me keep them cover the beach. We can get a garbage place for them dumb garbage.
Pork chops, you know?
Terrible thing. It's a terrible thing. In all of the sun and fly and all of stuff, we need to have a level head.
We have this meat and marinate about for 2 days, isn't it? Yeah man, we're there.
You need a head there. I said, go around now. You know what I want to do responsibly. Just we are talking on. Them you can ask them over responsible nothing. Them have fun. And them guys die trying to have fun. Them have fun and so them see about going to this try what a mother with speed. You know, drink and don't get drunk. You know, them like that. Them like that. You know, see, them, that's why I used to say, you know, see, things to only for party since COVID done.
The rice on the pot. You say, look at that. Oh, some salt tonight, you know.
Now, every man tell him, say, him now go crack a little small go crack. So, guess what? The next man go crack in and you and kill you and you not try and you know baby. That's the problem, you know. Every man think that it's the next man's problem. The next man absolutely not happy, you know.
Yeah man, we're up on YouTube, you know, TopChefDundyplace, you know, go subscribe, you know. Link in my bio. Big up from now, is it? This is scallion. Let's crush up some scallion tonight. You see me I say? Make sure I have them clean.
And I know that the car starts up down with it and all. But I get never to the broken car because I put that put on a pure car you put on the road. But you can't get a car 100% sedan. Meaning say, you just walk in a place, so you can show the church paper, show the prayer, make sure money promote and all the way there. Then you say, go out with the car and just pay it for one, drive out of your feet.
Butter.
You don't know if it's come out of your feet. But there's a way to make everybody get a car. And everybody a get car, or a man who can't drive, I get car. That's why you have to come out and fill up on the road. So much people, so much you are dead.
Coffee, big up yourself, you know. Yeah man, you don't know, you know. Enough respect, you know.
And some people drive like, they want to run on the light. On the other side of the road, by the road out close before the reach from there. But that's not good. I will
go and try now.
look straight and see it was like the road and half to you. Stretching out. And it's a little tweet, you know. The first thing I've gone over there. Just get on the company and lick one car. You're overtaking for the wrong side of the road and all them really. You have to be responsible. But when you don't need responsibility, you don't want to feel responsibility. The fight man never got missed it one. Let them allocate them right. But the police them there. Seriously. You have them holiday people. Where the police them there. Turn up on the car and look at them cell phone. Put them in a car, patrol car, a local man for them cell phone.
Come on, cut up your ingredients. We're gonna cut this up with cook this down with the pork chops, you know what I mean? Cut up your onion, we put one potato in it. I see if we have no carrot in there. Isn't it? That's how we do it, man. And if you want to play back of this video, it's up on YouTube, you know what I mean? TopChefDundyplace on YouTube. Go over there and subscribe, you know what I mean? I try to get to 1,000 by June, by the end of June. You see me?
If you don't mind sharp, you might look at the cell phone and see the rubber beside it. I don't know if you have people.
Yeah, man, we have browned this up right now and then we add these stuff inside of it. You see me? Yeah, man, I take off the bad piece then. We cut off the end and the top. Look at that. Yeah, man, big up to the follower, you know. Welcome to the kitchen, you know, Junior. Junior, big up yourself. You know the thing go. You know, so the weekend is here, you know, so you don't know. Top Chef Marathon this weekend, you know. Every day we are cook for the weekend. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. At the beginning of the week we are cook. Every day. Yeah. You take one a cup. Trust them then. Garlic, you know. Yes, my people, we over YouTube, you know. Yeah, man. Over there, so you have to find the long video then, you see me, if you don't see me on the live, you see it. TopChefDundyplace on YouTube. Subscribe, you see it. Look at that. Every man look money now. How will the man look money to do? You don't smoke it out. You don't buy the car boom. You don't get cruise upon the road. You know what thing, but you're not teenager, you know. You're not teenager. You know, don't get you up all out of country, you know. I find people land on there and earn 50. Now look people land on me now work. I rap like them now get. We don't have a word with me, I'm people. So when the guys are going to find a way out, and my way out to go about, I'm fill up a house, use lagos and bamboo, You want to get a potato, we peel it and put in it, man.
I know that would have macaroni and all them, you have to watch how you chop it. Love house, have a little kitchen. Man, go office. Man, go office and you can't go office and decide to take illegal way out. You have a new so you can't go office to kind of verification. And you must see no other way out where I go see people, rap people, I go white glass on the street. Remember, take liberty with you. They are him start to keep too.
Yeah, man.
When the car move out, they have them turn over the other side of the car. So I want to say, they have to put on back on the seat. And then come over the side.
Yeah, man, this is not done, you know, it's not done. So don't kill me, it's not done.
That's why they don't put the people on the center and put them up on the white of the glass.
We have brown them, we're just giving them some color. Then we're gonna put them all back in the pot. With all this right here. You see me?
Someone at the car is longer room because no one with them most of the man them there. They're not taking them about a year there. I have experience. I have experience here. You can try to come down Woodford and every from Ligony except the one return what them call a road again, Garnet. Every stoplight has somebody a clean glass. Clean to them a clean glass. And if you start out.
So yes, my people. First we're gonna brown everything. Brown everything, you cut up your tomato, your onion, your scallion, your garlic, you can put pepper in it, you can put carrot, you can put potato. You see me I say? When we done fry up everything now, we're gonna put them all in a deep pot, you know what I mean? And cook down, add water to it, cook down everything together. So when all of that flavor blend together now, oh my God. But I like when them brown, well done, brown nice, you know? Yeah man, everything I go back in the pot and cook down again, isn't it? So nobody pray say.
I thought we should have I would try fast. You know, see, I'm going to go wool for people to that. Why not them glass and them nail them themselves to it? And them are going to get fast to themselves. Because your man says no before you say, alright, so next time also. Your customer and everything. Just like how you work for your money by white and glass.
Yeah man, pork chops, Rebecca. Some pork chops, you know, we'll cook it down, you know what I mean? And then we have some rice in that small pot beside it. You know? Yeah man.
Don't tell me to the man what to do. I need to let them go back and get the money. When they get the money, I win for them.
Yeah man, it's not done enough because I don't want to love kill people in the comments there, you know.
I'm telling my card, I don't know the comment.
You see me? You have brown it, you're just looking for the color right now. Then we put them all back in the pot. Look at that. Yeah man, this way is to me is the best way to cook pork chops, you know what I mean? You fry them up first and then you cut up your onion and stuff, tomatoes, your onion, your thyme, your scallion, you can put carrot, pepper, whatever you like, the vegetable. You see me I say, and then you're gonna add it back in the pot, not a deeper pot, with everything with some water. And when everything cook down, oh my God, Rebecca. Yo, big up yourself, you know, Bridget. You don't know the thing go. Yeah, man. Rebecca, that's how it's done. Big up yourself, you know, Rebecca. Thank you, you know. But you don't know. Yeah, man, that's how we do it, man. When you do it, just tell me about it. Yeah, man. Yeah, the rice over here, so just put on the stove, you know. Stir it up, the butter and everything. Put it as scallion in it, you know what I mean? Flavor it up. Turn on the stove, make that one take time to cook, isn't it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know what going on, man, when you try it out, you know what I mean? I'll make it bad for the other one them. So what did they do? Because right now the man said to go chop some land. They go tell us the motor. I'm going to talk about chop his land. Chop his land. But then how you that chop it? And me that chop land, you know. You that chop land, and me a chop land. Yes, my people, you don't know, you know. Again, you know, subscribe to the YouTube channel, you know, TopChefDundyplace, you know, you get the long videos with the long recipes. You know what I mean? Cook along videos, you know what I mean? Uncut. Long videos, you know what I mean? Uncut. The man go and fry them up, man, brown them up, man. You know what I mean? Good food take time, you know what I mean? No rush. You know what I mean? You slowly cook your food and cook it well done. You go enjoy it, you see me? Look at that. Yeah, man, the top chef, man. That's it. Oh no, I go on with. Oh no, I have for dinner tonight. You know? Thursday night. Can go bad up some, go to the supermarket and get some pork chops, man. You see me, get something from the supermarket and cook, you know what I mean? Easy. I was t-shirt, my polo, and I don't feel like him Ghana dance. In Ghana dance, you buy one beer in the coffee, the whole night in the day. With your open and your open. So when you get to where you go, because I say, a farmer asked someone to come chop some land to him, and he said, well, the chairman is not enough study. So the chairman is a cluster. Alright, if you get somebody how you need to sell. And then when you bring in to what they can do and what you do. And when your things come up, you're ready to see. And you have company to go clear your water rate. Or clear the light bill. When you look out there, your phone gone. Just get some space, that's all it's going on. So all the night they know when you see I come out there in your boat, what you could do, what you could do. I got more nothing come easy, right? Nothing cutting edge, yes. Aye. That's it. Yeah, man. Good night. You know, I'm going to attack it. I'm going to hire the feel good, the feel bad. Yeah, man. Let me tell you, man. If they attack it, you know, yeah, go down. That's my people. You see me? So we are getting ready after this batch done now. Michelle, I'm cooking some pork chops with some white rice, you know what I mean? We're gonna cook down the pork chops. As you can see, we're frying up them right now. We want them at this color right here, some golden brown. And then you don't know, say, we're gonna put it back in the pot with all the veggies and stuff. Yeah, man, and you don't know, we're gonna cook it down, add some water, cook it down for the next 15-20 minutes. And yeah, then you're gonna say that's it, you know what I mean? Look at that. Food good, you know what I mean? So pork chops and white rice. You me, I say everything nice. Yeah, man, go over to the YouTube channel, man, to catch back this video up on a rerun. You see me, I say, for y'all who watch this on the rerun, big up on your damn self. You don't know, welcome to the kitchen of the Top Chef. Look at that. Yeah, man, the link in my bio for the YouTube, you see me? Top Chef Dundyplace. Go over there and flood it. You see me? Yeah, man, big up on yourself.
You know, you understand, we go anywhere. I want to make it girl. So without the so where you want to know, no go and make it food there. Dog, cow, people. No, Rasta man and Rasta people there, book the guy. Watch out, man. No Rasta, I'm saying. Me, everywhere.
Alright, put this a fire steam down the rice, that's all.
Everywhere, but the God. What you say?
Yeah, when I say it's that, I believe it's like, oh,
You see me, I say?
you see, so more after, you see that the motor, watch me now. When they say the final code, like it's supposed to say the final code was a Caribbean, who would be Caribbean code? Oh, right. Now, it's say a case like Adiza, aka Mr. Farman, 15 case, you try to
No peas and rice, white rice, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, rice without the peas, you know what I mean? We have it over here in this small pot right here, we're steaming it down, you know what I mean? But you don't know the thing go. Yes, my people, go over the YouTube channel to catch the rerun, you see me I say? Yeah, man, Top Chef Dundyplace, subscribe, look at that. Yeah, man, you don't know the thing go. Follow the TikTok page, you don't know the thing go. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we know go on with drop some flag in the comment. Let me know where you come from. We're there in New York right now. Drop some flag in the comment. Where you come from? Jamaica, I'm a Jamaican in New York, you know what I mean? We're in Bronx, Mount Vernon right now. You see me, I say you don't know the thing go.
Right.
Yes. We can't go Lagos South and go to Caribbean unless we
New York, yo, Lisa, big up, you know. Yeah, man, and thanks to the followers. You see me, New York in our house. Yeah, man, and New York, me, the man, up on Mount Vernon, yeah, so. You see me, I say Murderville. You don't know. We shoot, we kill. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I yard that do it, man. Share. I yard you there. Yeah, I must up, mess up the view style. Yeah, man, I cook curry, man. Check out the page, man. Oh, you're the Long Island. That's maybe 30-40 minutes from me right now, man. That's not far, man. So when me keep me events in the Bronx, you know, make sure no forward, you know. Philly no far either, you know. Philly is like 2 hours away. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, Michelle, thanks for the follow, you know. Big up yourself, you see me, I say? So this summer, my people, the Top Chef will be having this summer, barbecue we have this summer, you see me, I say? We have a grill up, cook up, you see me, I say? So we just pass through and go pick some food, you see me? Yes, my people. So this summer, you know, look out to the event, you know, the Top Chef barbecue, you know. You don't know, you know. Yeah, man.
You have 60% of getting where people are in glass.
No, then a big case with cartel where the man get right and now it has to go over because they have to go let him go.
Yeah, but that don't mean that they can't get just for the time again.
So one more evidence go on and say for sure says he has
ask me that I don't know.
Well, you know, that lady they retire.
No, Mr. DPP, I'm not the lady, I'm the DPP.
Right. Come now.
It's for England.
Yes.
And them make it spare England and them say, yes, it's spending time. You accept that, right?
Then you have to go say, boy, them good because if them really do, and then...
Yeah, but true them out say, something go wrong, they must go back to Jamaica but deal with it. You have to know, it's supposed to Caribbean court and justice, them couldn't do that, that is what I say.
No, it seems like you have to go do...
Yeah, man, we have twice piece left, you see me? Yeah, man, you don't know the thing going on. At the Top Chef, you know, we in my kitchen every day, you know, so follow the page, you know. Yeah, man, follow the YouTube page, TopChefDundyplace. We are trying to reach 1,000 by summer reach, you see me? Because you don't know. People, pork chops, white rice, and that I do it today. You see me, I say? And you don't know. You cook every day, man.
But they should choose what England or because we just go out with England pork.
No, I'm not going to go out. Yeah, one man go and get feet here. He gets way we. The supplier then behind him now, I said them feel good with the when they yeah, let's see them like the local lawyer, them do something them and them and they get money for. If you can't and yet they would have got there too. And they would have answered so to you if you have the money. Yeah? And that's how these people know them I say it is thing good but the money they can't find that kind of free. So
what all you want to the Caribbean court no good?
For 3 more minutes. You see me? 4 take them out now.
Because of one trial, the British court, you have better chance. You have better chance with the British court than with the Caribbean court.
Here what I say now, which brings me to my point now. See, what me that say? Like how we tie up at the bridge right now. Say,
hold on. I don't remember to take the ad. We'll take the ad.
Yeah, everything brown up. You want this color, you see me? When you get this color now, we're gonna cook it down, you know what I mean?
Wrap up now before the next set of ad come.
We'll put the patty over here.
yeah, man. I'm going to one little thing and like a bit of the major part, then I want to move on. What me I say?
That's out of the way.
To become
That one cool down, you know what I mean? Get a deep pot. Drop them in a pot.
Wait, I come with
Why you have to do about your birth certificate?
then because of become a republic, certain things have got changed. What about documents?
What things have got changed? Because not say, alright, so what that means is you have to go by so if you have to go by your birth certificate, where that means? Are you? It's not going to be you, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we have 45 food today, you're 2 kids here.
After that, throw some water in this. Now the basin where you season up the chicken. Mr. Chicken. The pork chops. That's in the pot. Make that go and cook down. You see me I say? About half an hour more. Maybe 25 minutes.
Yeah.
The more you cook it down, the more tender it gets, you know what I mean?
No.
I have some season from on the grind now.
It's just that's why they
Don't know, we have add some flavor on the top. Story top, isn't it?
No, that's why them don't go here, sir.
But them white, no, but
Good enough.
white,
Be a flavor from the island, you know what I
No,
mean?
because corruption, but you know.
I don't know the thing though. No, before you cover it, you have to store it up. Get a big spoon. Woo!
Corruption,
Yeah man, store it up, you see it? Look at that. Get that one woman. Trouble in this dog. No one didn't talk there again. Alright, cover the pot. Sharon, big up yourself, you know. Mitchell, you don't know the thing, man. Cover the pot. Look at that. Yeah, man, after that, we are going to go straight to the table. You know the thing. You know if it's time already. Yeah, man, in the meantime, the people will go over the YouTube channel real quick. You see me I say? And just click the subscribe button, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. I don't know the thing though. You're going to miss the end. If you're going to miss the end, Mitchell, just go on the YouTube channel and click subscribe. Tonight I'm going to upload this video, you know what I mean? So you can finish watch the video, okay? Yeah, man. Top Chef Dundyplace on YouTube, alright? It's going to boil for the next 25-30 minutes and then it's done. You know what I mean? When the gravy get thick, you know? But check out the YouTube page, man. Subscribe and you'll get. You can watch it as, you know, and pull it up as much as time as you can, you know what I mean? Cook along videos on YouTube. Top Chef Dundyplace on YouTube. Big up.
Yes. So if it did go.
Oh yeah, come off of work. Yeah man, you don't know the thing though, man. Bless up, is it?
And if you have a Caribbean coat,
Yeah, come off of work and me I go up and work. Me have to go up and work soon. You see me I say?
Yeah, you don't agree with the judgment.
Me would have watched it individually. It depends on how them rule it and how the evidence go again.
Yeah, but you know watch it and rule it. All you hear is that all you hear say one court said they must go back to Jamaica and deal with something.
Yeah.
And you never hear no case with the Caribbean Court of Justice.
We never
evaluate it with. You go evaluate it with.
But like how you to evaluate too.
No, me not evaluate nothing. No, me not evaluate nothing. I'm just saying to you that it's when you are saying me and to panel. You are saying you prefer, if you don't know what I say,
right.
you prefer the court in England than the court in the Caribbean because of one incident.
No, I say preferably all I'm favoring God is that it seems like if we get a ticket if we go defend ourselves.
Yeah, go England.
Yes, if we have the money now. Because I tell a brother say I see him with Christopher Columbus them come discover it and them charge them fine all in thing them and them charge him fees.
But when your people, you know, your people are saying they prefer the king.
Them free away from slavery though some of them put we in and give we things designated where we forget after
yeah, but no, you hear some people that say better we stay under England. You never hear some Jamaican people that say better them stay under England because England will have better play. You never hear that?
That's how that's how me.
Alright, we have to take our next break. I have to go call back later.
Alright, man.
Yeah, alright. Yes, yeah. Bless it, man.
Yeah, I want greetings to Irish. Greetings to your mocha. Yeah, man, I say Bronx, Brooklyn, New York, where my mother, my brother, my father, and my sister murder by two Jamaicans.
Really, what are they get murdered? Really? One of them get murdered?
Yeah.
Repeat that again. Repeat what you just said again. Your father, your brother, your sister.
Yeah man, pot are going bubbly and now, you know?
No,
Trouble.
used to get murdered again.
My mother, my father, the two brothers, my sister, we are soldier. Murder up there in New York by me. Landlord, my neighbor. I know, we there, so my mother buried. My father, my sister.
So which part you there? Which part you there? Jamaica?
Jamaican do it, go up there and do it.
No, where you there? Where you there now?
Oh, Jamaica.
So I don't hear that. I hear from down here.
No, the murderer called me on the phone.
The murderer called you?
Yes, and I tell me to talk to my mother. To the last.
No, you see, right? Wait. Hold on, take time with it. Take time with it.
I see this thing I go on, man.
Hold on, I'm going to get a chance to talk. The man who murdered your family.
Yeah.
Call you and tell you say you have talked to your mother for the last time.
Yes, man. I'm a brother. Me hear my husband pastor in the house.
And then when you hear after that, when you say that after a while, when you hear after him say that?
All right. We live in the yard in time I go foreign. I'm running from foreign come a yard, you know.
See, I can plug in this.
Then I go foreign. You don't know what you wanted, man, a foreign, you know. And you don't know what say me there, you know, say, man, I'm a baby mother in a thing.
You know your baby mother?
You know, you must say, oh, I'm either with your baby mother. I'm then near your mother yard. So me take a step, me hear my mother bark. Tony. Like, the mother hang my mother. Look out for that. He said, talk to your brother for the last. Me hear my brother ball with four sign at the house. He said, put me where the four sign out. He said, my word. He put and fly back in. The man say, yeah, hear me. Your mother dead.
You know, hear what I want?
Your family is dead. Your sister dead. He said, who do that? He said, me rob and kill them. Your baby mother give me the address. And from that note, I mean, I hear nothing about my mother. And I seek, just when he call me, I run up a station. And I say, officer.
Jasmine, a serious thing is going on.
I heard of the people that in the house, California. I get the nearest police number down there, I can call him. Say, boy, I think you come there. You can't do nothing. Try embassy. When I go to embassy, so they can't help me. I have to report it. And if you man get through from them time,
yeah, man, a real thing, man. Real thing.
Police would have go to the airport and hold them. Right now, we can't hear nothing from them.
Hold on. So nobody have found a car and tell you say your family there?
No, me don't know more people.
So all you know to them there?
Mother, father.
No, but all you know to them there? Yeah, all you know to them there?
Because you hear nothing from them.
But all you know to them there, no man, hold on, man. Yo. All you know to them there?
Word, I'm a brother them.
No, we ain't no brethren, yo. Let me talk now, man. You know you're feeling, but when I ask you hear a man say that over a phone. Oh, you know, say him do him do. Oh, you know.
Alright. We will live in a one yard. That's 3 brothers planning, you know.
No, we are no man. We are hold on, Bridget. Hold on, man. You say the man, look at this over the phone and say your mother was dead. I ask you, oh, you know, so them dead.
When you don't hear nothing from them, no.
And if you don't hear nothing from them, oh, you know, so them dead. And you don't hear nothing from them. Eh?
From 97, the man called me, you know, I know me, I try to see what happened to my mother, and now we can't hear nothing.
From 1997?
From 97.
From 1997?
After 97, that happened, man.
When you go here, now we can't hear nothing from the people then.
So you don't do nothing about your own, so you don't do nothing at all about it?
No, we might talk
about it.
Yeah?
You don't get in contact with nobody up there?
No, and I try to get in contact with people who don't hear nobody. To talk to my mother, because the last me, I go hang your mother. Talk to your brother, the mother.
No, you said that already, but I asked you. You know, Bridget,
Put up
Bridget,
together with
please.
clips on me and my brother bag. You know that.
Hold on, slow down, no, man. Slow down, yo, slow down. May I ask you a question?
Yeah.
From 1997,
Yes.
that are 20 odd years ago, right?
Alright.
20 odd years. And you are telling me now, say, 20 odd years ago, you not hear from your family, and you not still don't know Jamaica and all nothing.
No, only call all the while, now you're not
Who you call? Who you call? Who you call? Who you call? Who you call?
And the boy, me have to go for it, me have to have visa, me not no more body for it. Me not no visa, me not nothing.
Nobody have foreign regime.
Nothing.
So your mother never have nobody where you used to call down at Jamaica or nothing?
No, me alone.
Them not no friend down at Jamaica, your brother not no friend down at Jamaica, nothing?
No, they look good, I come and walk yard, water.
No, I'm not talking about the man, no, I'm not talking about the man, your brother. I'm not talking about your brother friend them.
No, I'm not doing my friend, because look at young youth and water.
How old your brother is? How old your brother was?
All is them about 24, so 23.
Yeah, and that means, you know, if you would have lied, you would have 40 years old.
Yes.
And you give them almost 23 more years, give them no money, no.
Them have fly back down and I tell me them murder me people them motor and that me can't hear nothing. And the man them react the people them come by car.
No, Jamaica. Them they are Jamaica.
I think Gaffarin him there, you know.
The brother who killed the family, they are Jamaica.
Alright.
No, you know, there's a born American look at you.
No, me ask if the brother who killed the family,
I don't know.
they are Jamaica.
Sorry, me them man, I want to tell you no more that.
So who you say fly down? You say fly down.
We as we tell us that we never know then they with my baby mother until we reach.
So where your baby mother there? Where your baby mother there?
You know, married I have the man in the look one else in there with all the youth.
In the Jamaica.
No, we don't know no.
And the killer there.
Your baby mother, where
America or overseas, wherever.
Yes, the youth.
Yeah.
Your baby mother, where
America or overseas, wherever.
Yes, the youth. The youth, I take when the youth motor, gone with him a foreign. I know me can't pick up about me youth, me can't hear.
where the baby mother there? You're not going to live with the baby mother.
Yes, we back again, you know. You don't know. The pot board done, you know, you see me, I say? That's the cut, look how I reach back. But the pot is still left on the stove. Look at it, that turn it down and make it go and simmer. You see me, I say?
Yes, we don't need them brethren.
Yeah, man, see it a fall apart. Tell that.
Full
of gravy, huh?
Next word, after this next tenant, when they say, she said, the baby mother bring one little box like up to come here. When they look in at motor, one watch and $5 cut up, throw on the bed. We go to the station and call the police. And they come look where the baby mother do. From them time, the police, the boy, he can't come to that alone. That's all. The next tenant.
That happened 20 years ago, 20 years ago. 20 years ago that happened.
Yeah.
For all children,
A long time I try to get in the motor. Come here.
I try to get in.
Look for it, huh?
You know, you know, no one has been here, I try to get them, try to get you all the while, but me now get you two credit wise, and
do you want to go take a shower?
we can't get some money for her, because the two daughters, they can beg them at their decks on the street.
You have two more daughters.
Yeah,
Yeah, two daughters when we have a person.
Where you come from? Where you come from?
You know, we come from 70. You want kids, right?
How much your money is? How much your money is? How much your money is? Who want to kill you from last year? Who want to kill you? Who want to kill you from last year?
The man that who buried on the people, the man that the dead moved and to the little crying in the city. We run in the soul, we run.
Why you not to the man that they are foreign? You not to them they are foreign. No foreign, you tell them there.
Alright, you see. the two killer. One of the killer they are fine. The main one they call me, I put up the people with power star. Married to the baby mother and take on the baby mother and the youth and gone after it. And
You know what I don't believe you?
this is the next one.
I don't believe you, know. I don't believe you.
You got the rest again. The youth father. Johnny, listen to them come back by car.
Come back from where they?
Moved on at the home to take God.
You said that you
I spent the wrong thing my murder, my mother, to everybody.
Nah, ask you a question. You said the brother come back to see the parents and buy car.
Yes.
You know what they say when they are Jamaica? You know what they say?
Why your mother moved in this car, they checked the two, then was them in no visa, and the yard we live in, they planted to go down.
Alright, sir. You want to call the police or something?
Yeah, man, ready to share out there. White rice, you see me I say? Have some scallion in it, you see me?
Where you want me to? Alright, so where you want me to?
Go on and go and explain to go and love how America deals with some other situation with that car.
Yeah, but no, look how you are dealing with that 20 years ago that you have 20 years.
Coming back to the year.
Then we have to move and over. You have to move here.
A nice piece.
Alright, it's all about that.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, man, respect.
What is my lad? Cheers, not for bringing on this, you know. Cheers.
Come on, stir it up, make sure it's good, you know?
Yeah, man.
Just like hold true.
Baby still alive?
Yeah, man.
Boy, I try to figure out all the way myself, but it's like, any man say one
Show the
piece
people
and then
the
he
finished
move
product.
another piece and then he move, so it's like, me can't to complain all the way myself. I start not believe him, you know. I'm not sure if I don't believe him, but me have to wonder if everything connect. That 20 years ago? Yeah. When I talk like that last week, it happened. 97, him say. Yeah, that's 20 years a year. Yeah, that's how much years before we come on the radio. So we don't know. So maybe because of the length of time they moved, and maybe you not remember all of the details. No, man, but you want to live in a couple of my car and treat me, man, and say you should do that. But that 20 years ago, my car phone.
Look at that. Yeah, man, the top chef, man. I don't know the thing going on.
You don't know nobody.
Yeah, man.
Even more than nobody.
See, far right up.
And don't tell them about 2 more picnics. You can never think about sorry for crime like that, it's coming over foreign then.
Yeah, man, I hit that.
You would have hear something about it. Yeah, 5 people that say get killed, you know. Saw up and you would have hear something about it, man. It must have something.
That's my people. See it there? Look at that. Pot ready, you know. Look at that, well cooked down, nice and thing. You see me, I say? Don't know the thing going on at the Top Chef in the kitchen, you know. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, you know. TopChefDundyplace, the link in the bio, you know. Look at that. Yeah, man, the food done. I'm gonna feed my family, you know. It's a pork chops, my brother, and we cook it down, you know what I mean? So it's extra tender, you know what I mean? And nice. Yeah, man. Seasoned with the islands. Look, yo. I done the place, you know. Make sure you know subscribe to the YouTube channel, you know. And you don't know the thing going on. Yeah, man, stew pork, basically. Yeah, man, all clean services. Big up yourself, you know. You don't know the thing going on at the Top Chef, you know. Yeah, man, subscribe to the YouTube channel, man. Food done. Until next time, we're gone.